darkness through the forest of my soul. But I got no direction, and these eyes are just black holes. We're out in the desert where my vision lost its hold. I was listening to the whistling wind and the stories that it told. Find my way, find my way. This road to hell is paved. Find my way, find my way. In the forest of my soul, I'm saying my way. This road to hell is paved. Find my way, find my way. Ooh. Ooh. This road to hell is in the forest of my soul. I'm saying this road to hell is paved. I'm saying down in the darkness through the forest of my soul. But I got no direction, and these eyes are just black holes. There's a sea of my trouble where the waves are crashing down. The ship that hit wasn't fit for the fluid storms around. Find my way, find my way. This road to hell is paved. Find my way, find my way. Find my way, find my way. Road to hell is paved. Find my way in the forest of my soul. I'm saying that.
Just a tiny little substance that holds a whole new world within. How far can you travel to reach another point of view? It's a strange world that we live in. Let's turn it into something real.
time to get it right. 'Cause when you're lost in the forest, it's gonna be a long and bitter night. We'll get it right, and no other choices. We'll get it right, we'll break it down. We'll get it right, hear the voices. We'll get it right this time around. This time around. This time around. Yeah, we got a long way to nowhere. The Garden of Eden's tree of life. You watch the seeds are growing. Walk the edges of a knife. We get it right, and no other choices. We get it right, we break it down. Get it right, hear the voices. Get it right this time around. This time around. This time around.
These walls have been aging slowly. My body keeps aging fast. I wasn't made to be here. I wasn't built to last. So I awoke at midnight, sweat running down my cheek. I died in the hands of time. Can you rearrange my mind? These walls have been aging slowly. My
myself in the real world. I'll meet you there in the real world. I'll see you in the real world, free from the guilt and oppression, free from the constant depression, open to just feel the emotion, away from hatred and judgment, free from the killing and fighting. I'll meet you there in the real world.
Es como ir debajo de la piel, ir adentro, ir a algo más profundo. Y entonces ahí pasan cosas misteriosas. Me decía que la música no le pertenece a nadie. O sea, cuando haces música y conectas, entras en ella. Como algo que ya está, ya existe, ya existe.
Wake up from a dream and look around you. Look around you, see what's been missing for you to do. And let go of that veil that's stopping you from connecting to everything you knew. Everything you know. Stop paying attention to the things that make you tired, things that make you bored. Now, the power is yours. You are responsible for every situation. Stop fighting the system. A new liberation comes from the silence in you. I'll meet you there in the new world. And I found my soul in the real world. I'll meet you there in the real world.
Father Ocean, hear my song. You're the wave I was made from. Take me back to where we once began. And tell my love how I went wrong. Years I tried to be someone. Could it be your darkness holds the key? When we close our eyes, we may begin to see. Father Ocean, hear my song. You're the place where I belong. Now take me back to where we once began. Ocean Father, I was wrong. Years I followed just the sun, but now I see your darkness holds the key. And then I close my eyes and I begin to see when we're alone.
Take me to wherever. Don't need my direction anymore. I've tried so hard to find it. Currents will always head that way. And I'm tired of being frightened. Take me where you were today. Currents will always head away. Take me where you were today.
In the land of golden trees, where the wind sings its melodies, lives a man on the shore with no need for more. And he sleeps on the riverside with his silent mind open wide. He hears what they mean, the voices of the street. So read my reflections and hear what they're whispering for. Oh, take me to your river and teach me to worry no more. Not a story that's not been told. The man keeps growing old, and he sees it all as one. In the water, in the sun, in the land of fallen leaves.
to